We're going live, but there we go. I'm visible now. Hi, everybody. Good evening. Welcome to another TetraForce dev vlog. Tonight we're going to be working on looking at merging some pures, hopefully. So we've been working on enemies the last few weeks. Joseph B has also been working on escape menus and stuff. So we're just kind of finishing up some of that now. So we'll share that with you guys in just a moment. You can kind of see that I've got it open right now on GitHub. So we'll go through that in here. So with us tonight, we have both Josephs, Thornclake and Joseph B. Hey, guys.
Hey. Hello.
Hi, everybody. So exciting night. Lots of us to talk tonight. Wonderful. All right. So I'm a little bit all over the place right now. Where should we start? So you're still working on that, Joseph B, right? Let's give you a moment to give you a moment to work on that.
Okay, I think that should do it. Let me verify real quick.
Verification is good. I was gonna go do something here in a sec. I still need Nodding to do more with his thief cat, but he did some pretty cool stuff. I don't have it open right now, but he made like a custom detect polygon, and it works. It's like directional. It's almost like a Pokemon trainer where if they're facing a certain way, they see you, but otherwise you can sneak past them. It's very cool.
Yeah, that sounds.
So he's been learning new stuff too, which is really cool. So I was gonna show off the bat a little bit tonight. Since I took a GIF of him, but
Okay.
GIF or Jiffy. So, am I still streaming on Discord, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right. So the bat. Oh, I thought I hope I muted.
Okay, I want to see chat. Okay.
Make sure my volume is killed on. Got like too many sounds going on. Oops, clicked off of it. So the bat is kind of cool. So he's on a timer. So he wakes up when you get in his distance. But even if the timer runs out, if he's in your bubble, he'll keep chasing you. But if you can escape him and his timer runs out, he goes back to rest.
Dude, that looks so good.
Thank you.
I am so hyped right now.
So yeah,
What?
he works really good. I'm very happy with him.
It's badass bat.
Nice.
Yeah, and his animation is super clean. I was very happy about that.
That looks so smooth.
Yeah. So, yeah, I was very happy about that. So I hope to have him in the game tonight. And then, like,
Okay.
there's the sneaky push. Did you see the sneaky push, Joseph? Didn't?
I saw like a tiny bit of it when it wasn't working.
Okay, he's working now too. Let's, and then I showed you the cuckoo can.
Yeah.
Go back here.
Oh, we're getting some enemy variety. Look
Yeah,
at
we are. I just need the enemy room to work.
Yeah.
I hopefully I can get you guys to point me in the right direction tonight. That would be really helpful.
Okay.
So he's just a slow, tanky dude. He just likes to chase you.
Yes.
But what's happening on the back end is his radius gets larger when he sees you, and he'll follow you for longer.
Mm-hmm.
But he's just super slow. He's mostly meant to be like pack walking type monster.
Okay.
So he'd be like in narrow corridors and stuff like that to kind of block you.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah,
Cool.
those are the two monsters, and the Kukukin as well. So that's 3 monsters.
Sweet.
That's not bad. And then the Noblin's also in the game now. So yeah, we're getting all sorts of enemies.
Yeah.
Now we just need bosses.
Yeah.
That's gonna be more work. But.
Cool.
All right.
It's very pretty too.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Don't know who did that, but very good.
Yeah. Those artists are something else. Yeah. So that's kind of it. The progress has kind of slowed down in like the last week or so, mostly because I'm stuck on the enemy doors.
Oh.
Yep.
Got pull requests to show off though.
Yeah, so are you ready for yours to be worked on
Ye-
or merged?
Yep.
So is it
Yep,
working?
you'll wanna test it on stream for everyone.
Yes, let's do that.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing tonight. Okay, so I have to go to Git. Hold on here.
Yeah, close Godot. Murder it. I did pull latest too.
Okay, cool.
So,
Kill that.
so it should be up to date as of 5 minutes ago or something.
Okay, it's good. Okay. Well, I was gonna discard all the random changes that didn't actually happen. Pull request. Add escape menu. Okay, so reopen Godot. Let's take a look at this escape menu. Alright. We should be able to leave the game now. Yeah!
Got keyboard controls too. Okay.
And then return
Nice.
and quit game.
What's the one next to the debugger at the bottom?
Oh, that was, I think, the network thing.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
okay,
yeah, that's
Because it happens, happens there, right?
that's like that one tick where the world's deleted and it's disconnected, but it still tries doing
gotcha.
stuff.
The error that's been in existence since the very beginning.
Yeah, I fixed that for TetraScript. I think you just had there's just like a yield you had to wait for.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Disconnect. I don't know. It's
We'll have to
something we could probably
remember.
add in.
Yeah, easy enough to fix.
Yep.
I'll just have to remember what it was.
There we go. I think that's ready to merge. So let me add a review.
I did notice something that because this I added the state stuff in like last 5 seconds for
Yeah.
chatters who didn't know what was going on with that. If you open it up and press play,
Okay, let me see. Is there a bug?
go kinda press escape.
Yeah.
Now press escape again. It doesn't do anything.
Oh, I see.
And that's because it's it only calls the escape menu function when it's in the proper state, and I'm not sure how to. If there's a because there's no loop action button in the menu state, and I don't know if there's a place I could add that, but I don't think you want them pressing the escape button anyhow when another menu is open.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, I suppose that's true.
I could put it. Actually, I could just put it. Yeah, I know what I can do. I could put this logic in the
actual.
in the escape menu
Yeah.
process.
Yeah.
So if I do here, if that's pressed, then is this a child? I think.
Can you just self?
child HUD.
Would you have to
me-
self queue free? Is that what you're trying to do? I was trying to find the code, but
Yeah, no. Let me see. Let me see if this does it first.
okie doke.
No.
No. Where are you? Which code are you in? What?
That just broke everything. Yeah, so, I was trying to see if inside the...
Input is action pressed.
inside the escape menu code, if I could just call the HUD action.
Oh, I see.
But it doesn't seem so. In fact, that seems to just break it. Straight out. So if I return here... Yeah. Oh, I think I know it, because it's instantly
Oh, it's
closing.
yeah, it had to be on input again. Show escape menu.
What if I do this? That worked once. Why did it work once? Okay. But that's the only kind of bug-ish thing that's in there.
Mhm. Yeah, it's more of like just not intended results more than anything. It's not even necessarily a bug.
Yeah, it's. I'm trying to think. It shouldn't be hard to fix. Is there a?
Click, do you have any ideas? What would be the best way to do that?
Hmm?
You! Can you see my screen? Like,
Yeah.
just to push escape again to get out? Could you
You
not?
have to use the underscore input event inside the menu itself, and then just check for the escape key, and then hide it from there, or queue free it from there. Whatever the return button does, you could just run the same thing.
That's in the, like, in the
Yeah.
same...
Not in player, would be in the escape menu code.
Oh, yeah, in here.
Yeah, so you could have an underscore input.
That works once.
What do you mean?
So here, I guess I could share my screen. If,
Yeah, here, I'll bring Discord over. I'll make yours windowed.
Oh, hello stream. Look, I'm so fancy.
1 second, you're not there yet.
So here's the code here for the input event. If I actually press escape, then it'll just call the return function, same as the return.
There we go. Now you should exist.
This works here. Close works. Then I can't open it again. So it's not fixing. It's not doing the state. Which means that for some reason this part, maybe I need to just change the order here.
Oh, maybe. Wait.
I don't think so, but yeah, no, I don't know, because the state is being remember that. And that was that issue with the normal return.
No?
No.
Just when it's closed with the escape key.
Okay, let me see where the return button. What function is the return button connected to?
That's the show get parent, so the HUD show escape menu.
Okay, so and yes.
And then this in the HUD there's a show escape menu, and it tries getting the escape menu, and if it exists, it sets the player state to default and deletes it.
Yeah.
So
couldn't you
go
run
back
that
to the escape
function?
menu.
Yep.
Put a print statement in that right under where you're at.
What are we looking for?
Just anything. Let's just see if it gets there.
Yeah.
Does it?
It's a little small, but it does.
Oh yeah. Where's the code to pull it up in the first place?
That is
The original escape.
So
In
it
player,
calls
right?
this function show escape menu. It tries getting.
I mean,
the node.
like in the player, like where does the player hit escape?
Yep.
Right
here. In the loop action control, if is placed here. Actually, I think maybe I got it. I think if I move this to where's the HUD here. So and then I do player.
There you
nice. Go. Okay.
Good catch.
There you go.
Wonderful.
Okay. So
I'm so sorry. I was on my phone. I didn't even know you were talking to me.
It's all good.
okay, that's a lot of diffs. Oh, I have garbage up here. Get rid of that garbage. Oh. Let's see, what else do I have?
I like you're using like the complicated everything.
Well, it's not complicated. It's just a terminal, and it seems complicated to people that aren't familiar with
Yeah.
terminals.
Oh yeah. Which is
Because
me.
really, I'm doing everything you do, but I'm just calling it directly instead of using a
Pretty buttons to
pretty
push.
interface.
Yeah. I need the pretty buttons. The pretty buttons are my friend. If it's not pretty, then I won't push it.
Okay, push on the change. There you go, and you can test it on your side.
Will do. Oh, there's like...
Oh, I'm still streaming. Ah, goodbye.
Goodbye. Thanks for coming in. Alright, do I have to pull? I guess I would.
Yes, you would, yeah.
Discard changes that I didn't make. Fetch origin. Full origin. See, look how easy that was. A few button clicks. Should I...
I don't think so.
No, reload.
Because I didn't make any scene changes. So.
Alright, let's see if that worked. Yep.
Cool.
Nice. We can quit the game now, guys. You're not... It's not like Sword Art Online where you're stuck forever. Okay. Alright. I guess I need to review it. Review changes. It works. All good now. I approve. Something. Oh, I guess I need to wait for
The Windows to finish building.
the Win32. There it goes.
Yay.
Okay, squash and merge. Look at that, one thing out of the way.
Nice.
You can delete my branch too.
I
Click the delete, scroll down.
Yeah, I was like, I don't remember how to do that. You showed me,
Is
but
it-
then oh, right here, delete branch.
Yeah.
Goodbye, branch. Thanks for coming by. All right.
Woohoo.
Now, you get to check my pull request. The Cuckoo, Kin, and Bat.
Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Kukukin and Bat Polish. So.
So if everyone wants to see, there's my Cuckoo Kin working in the GIF. I actually don't think I added the bat as a GIF in here, but
Oh, can't merge it.
oh, because of what we just merged with yours.
No, I was joking. Cause,
Oh,
Because you don't have a bat kit.
oh, I'm not doing my documentation properly. I thought there was like a legit like merge issue.
No. It looks. I mean, you might want. Yeah, it should merge fine. There's no merge conflicts. It just needs a review,
Yes.
which I can give here. Let me look at. I care about the code changes. So.
Yeah, I guess I can.
Is there
sort it.
any placement in the world I can like go test this?
You'd have to put it in tiled, which if you want, I can do for you. And
What's the current
push it.
version of tiled?
1 point something. I'm not even up to date already. About tiled. I have 1.6, but 1.7 is out already.
Okay, I'm gonna install whatever this is here on FlatHub. Let's see. Tiled. Oh. Okay, here I'll share my screen while
Okay, let me get it.
thing.
Yeah, let me get it back over again. 1 second.
Yeah, I could have to. Let's see, what's your branch name?
Why can't I pop it out now?
Kukukin.
Ah, why don't I see the full screen option, but not... Yeah, whatever.
Okay. Oh. No. Save. Perfect. Okay. Now I need to open project. Home.
Oh, Funk, like, I'm gonna get my friend Jupiter to stream this soon, I think.
Okay.
And we'll do a multiplayer night and have a bunch
Hell
of people play.
yeah.
So,
Okay.
if you want to be a part of that, be awesome. I'll let you know when we're gonna do it.
Yeah.
Do I open the TMX file or what am I opening here?
Do you have tiled going?
Yes.
Yeah, then just open up, you can open up Shrine dot, it'll be in maps. Why is it not there? It should be in the main route. Yeah,
Oh, they just need to open a file.
yeah, open file, yeah.
No project file here. Wonder what the difference is. Shrine.
Projects can be like multiple maps saved in one place. It's almost like a sub folder within the program, which can be used for like overworld and stuff. You can actually like link up multiple maps to make an overworld, even though they're technically different TMXs.
Okay, let's see. Can I? Okay, here we go. Stamp. So not a select object.
Yeah, stamped it. It's like the little image one beside the triangle.
Yeah, I can't select it. Why can't I select? Do I need?
Because you have to click at the top of the menu there.
Yep.
Now go to the right, beside the triangle. Yeah, the little image is like the orange. Yeah, that guy. Now you should be able to place.
Okay, we'll do the bat over in this corner, and we'll do the cuckoo can in this other corner.
There you go. You guys aren't snapped to the grid, so hopefully that doesn't cause problems, but that's okay. Should be fine.
Well, that's a good bug to check for.
Their movement isn't based on grid, so you should be just fine.
Okay. Let's see, bat.
Yay!
Looks right to me.
Also
Okay.
They also are built in multiplayer too, so they should work in multiplayer.
Sweet. Cool. I will test that.
Yes, test it.
If you say that's the case, you better be right.
Yeah, I better be right. All right, here we go. Let's see if I've learned how to do this.
That looks good. That looks good.
Nice.
Yeah, learning, guys.
Now I go here and view.
Very pretty. +1. Oh, I even get 100%.
There you go.
First place medal. Nice.
There you go. Well, you are welcome to merge that.
Do you want me to do it? Okay. I will squashy and merge. Refresh. Let me go back to YouTube here. So, all right. I guess I
Delete
can
the branch.
delete my branch. Bye, branch.
There we go.
All right. So now there's just one branch that isn't complete yet because I have to do art. Excellent. So our milestone should look pretty now. 66%, and it was 33% before.
Yeah, look at that. So
So actually, yeah, I was gonna more detailed option screen. I guess that's still something that we sort of have to do. Thief Cat is the PR that's open right now. Which actually, I was gonna ask, why is there 2 of these?
One's a pull request.
Oh, that's the pull request for this. So these will both close. Okay.
Yep.
Upon that. And then we'll see if this actually... This wasn't originally part of your milestone, was it?
Yes, it was.
Oh, okay.
Open it up. I don't know if you... This was the volume and PvP toggle.
Oh, that's right. That's right. Awesome. And then I've got my defeat all enemy doors. Which there's all sorts of stuff there. So, I guess if I go to my Git now. That went way faster than I was even hoping it would. Everything worked though, so I guess when things work it goes a lot smoother, doesn't it?
Yep.
Enemy door. So I'll show you what I have for my enemy door at the moment. I'm just trying to think what's the best way to do that. Oh, I already have it. It automatically updated. Okay, so reload. And I haven't done any multiplayer stuff or anything yet, so this is still very much in the works. Volume insert. Okay, so... Oh, it's not even working properly at all now. That's right, I broke it. So, when, I forgot what I did, but basically, there's 2 enemies in the bottom corner here, and I was trying to get it so that I was finding those enemies, which I did have. In single player, it could find the enemies, but for some reason, as soon as I did it in multiplayer, it would just stop working. So, I have to remember where I was at. I haven't actually looked at this code for a little bit now. And I was doing something that was like way over and above what I needed to do. But that's because I was running out of ideas. Where is it? Where's the code? Let me get to the code if I can remember. Enemy door trigger. Maybe it's not open right now, that's why. Tiles. Enemy door trigger. Okay, so there's the interact node, which basically starts the dialogue. And then the way I have it is if the begin is pushed, it accepts that it's been pushed, and I've connected that here, which will basically create activate, which activate plays the animation, activate, but I broke it somewhere, and I don't remember where I broke it now.
Well, what's the issue? Like, what's the specific issue rather than just broken?
So what I'm trying to get, basically I'm trying to get the active enemies, but see I've got this here, which is not necessary. It's like overkill because it's in zones, right? Zone, yeah, get enemies in zones, but I'm not sure. I can't seem to call it properly, and that's because zones is called only on import, and nowhere else. Yeah.
No.
Well, that's the only place I can see it. So
like something name zone.
Yeah. So
there probably
no,
is
that script is there. You could get the zone by you might need to actually use an area 2D. No, you don't. It's a static body. No, you do need an area 2D. You could look for whatever the collision layer that zones are on. You could look for whatever object the enemy door trigger is overlapping to get what zone it is. You could also, in the TetraScript one, what we do is every single entity knows what zone it is in.
Yeah.
Which might be a useful thing to port to this. I'm not sure how many times we'll use it though.
Well, and that's what I was trying to actually do, was copy what you had in TetraScript, but I was failing miserably.
So I think the easiest solution here is if you go to zone. Is zone a class? If not, I would just make it a class real quick. Give it a class name up at the top.
Okay, just like
you know how to do that.
Just call it class zone.
Or class underscore name.
Yeah.
Class name. Zone.
Yeah.
And then go to the whatchamacallit. Save that, go to the thing you're interacting with
Then
that you need to get the enemies on.
yeah.
So in here on ready, probably.
Yeah.
You could like get. I think there's like a function for getting like a static body here. In the dock, static body.
Hi, Jabba Jack. Squash. Oh, we merge and squash our PRs. We don't just merge them. They need to fit into a tiny container. So I won't. Will I? I don't think I'll need this function afterwards. Will I? Can I delete it?
Yeah.
Because it's way more complicated. I made that way more complicated. I know it doesn't need to be that complicated. Okay, so
I'm trying
We
to
basically just need to be able to know what zone that trigger is, so that they could call the get enemies function.
yeah,
And the enemy door trigger will know how many are in there. So, is there a function that static bodies could use to know what it's overlapping? I don't think they can with
Yeah,
areas.
I'm not saying with static bodies for like colliders or anything. I was thinking it was part of physics body 2D, but it's not.
So and monsters are
I would say the hacky way we could do it right now is just have the we could have the zones check if it's overlapping any bodies, any enemy door trigger bodies, and then if so, just set a variable in there pointing back to the zone, and then that thing can use the zone.
Okay, how do you want me to do that?
Make a new variable called zone in here.
Okay.
So basically, we're going to have the zones check to see if there's any enemy door triggers, and if there are, set that variable to that zone.
Okay, so very zone. Does it need any? It's just like that, right? Just an empty zone.
That's fine. And then in ready, put a add to group enemy door trigger. I don't know. We could also make this a class if we want to, but sometimes adding too many classes
gets messy.
Things not work. Yeah, so then you could go to
you know what? Let's call it enemy room. That's a zone thing. Sorry, where am I going? Back to zone?
Yeah.
Oh,
in ready.
Yeah.
First thing, go to the import script. I don't know what layers zone is on.
Imports 10, right?
10. Yeah. So that's so 10. Go back to wherever we just were.
Zone.
Or actually go to the enemy door trigger. Like the scene.
Yeah.
The scene. I mean, sorry.
Oh, the scene itself?
Yeah, you're on it.
Yeah.
Select the main one, and then set layer bit 10. So that should be layer 11. Oh, it should be labeled actually.
Layer 9, layer 10.
No, that's bit 9.
Oh, bit 9. We want bit 10.
Yeah, so yeah, it's that one.
Both of them, the layer and the mask?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, we shouldn't name it, but
so now you could go back to zones, and we're just gonna check for bodies in that group. So we'll do four body
in
get overlapping bodies.
Okay.
Okay.
And then
if body dot is in group oops. Enemy door.
Yeah. Door.
Okay. Body dot zone equals self.
Okay.
So that might work. I don't know. We'll see. let's
Do I-
so go to
Do I still need this class name
If
if we're doing it
yeah,
this
don't
way?
need it.
you can get rid of that.
I just want to
Oh.
confuse myself.
So now go back to
Don't forget to save.
oh yeah.
Savey. So come back here. So I don't need this. Yeah, I don't care.
Don't
about
remove anything yet. Let's get this part to work first.
that. All right. Okay.
And so this is either going to work or not work depending on
Yeah, I'm trying to
what gets
remember.
initialized first, because now that I think about it, oh, maybe it'll just work. So in ready,
Oh, hold
no,
on.
it won't work in ready.
In the physics process where you're doing the current enemies equals that.
Yeah.
Change that out to zone dot get current enemies or whatever.
Yeah.
Just up here. So
Yeah, just the variable.
fact- Do that, but also beforehand, do just print zone in the physics process. Let's just see if it says anything.
oops.
No,
Don't.
yeah, the variable zone, so no quotes.
Oh, gotcha. Okay, and so change this
And then-
to what was it again?
Zone dot whatever the get enemies function in zone is.
I think it's just get enemy.
Go open up verify.
Enemies.
Yes, I will get enemies.
So,
Yeah, because it didn't autofill it, so. So
Alright, let's see what happens.
get enemies in
Okay.
base nil.
okay, press continue.
We're what? Continue.
Not continue. Unpause. Nope.
Oh, you want me to unpause it?
Yeah. Well, I wanted to see if it's just like if it's just like that for a few frames or not.
Nope.
Yeah, okay, yeah. So it seems to be just not. It's just not null or not have that. At least not have that function.
Yeah, and that was the issue I was running into. Is I couldn't just call zone for the sake of
Yeah.
zone.
I think it's just because of how they're getting initialized, but let's do a hacky test first. In ready in the script,
In this one.
so yeah, first do set physics process to false.
So physics process. Oops. Sorry, 1 second. Physics process. False.
Then do a yield,
Yield.
get tree,
Tree.
dot create timer, and then do it for like 0.01 seconds or something. That's not how you do it.
Oh.
That one you type timeout,
Oh, that's timeout.
and then inside create timers parentheses you do
Oh.
0.01 or whatever, or 0.1. And then afterwards set physics process back to true. So let's just see if this is an initialization thing,
Okay.
because I think first thing is enemy door trigger is going to get. Well, I don't even know if it's gonna have the group in there. There's a fly on my monitor. I'm trying to squat.
Die fly.
Oh, do in there do if zone before calling that.
Oh,
Like if or yeah, just do if zone.
if the zone. Like that.
Yeah, and then tab those. Yeah. So that should just not give you an error. But if zone's null, then it won't find anything, which
Yeah,
it is null. So
Yeah, so
Pulling
it
up
should
now.
not be null.
Yeah, it should be fine.
we might need to wait a frame in the ready function for zone. So when we're finding all of them, we have to wait a frame for everything to be initialized.
Well, that's physics process isn't setting zone, so eventually it should stop being null if it actually is being set.
Well,
so
it's not being set because
Yeah,
it's
that's the
old.
thing. So I don't think changing anything in ready will change that.
No, what I'm saying is in the ready function for the zone script, that's where we are setting what the zone is.
Oh yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's not getting called yet because I don't think it's initialized by the point that this part's getting run. So I want to try putting a yield for a frame.
In here,
So that will be, yeah.
and a frame is just.
So just do yield get tree idle frame.
Oh, okay.
You could get rid of that stuff, that set physics process stuff, those 3 lines.
Okay.
Okay.
Do.
So do yield.
Get
No.
tree. Yeah, it's dot idle frame, right?
Yeah, get rid of the create timer.
Is it underscore?
No. Get tree,
Yeah.
comma,
Oh, comma. Okay.
idle frame, in quotes.
Got it. I didn't know that was
Good.
a thing.
Let's try
Let's
that.
try that.
Still
Still pulling up
null.
no.
So let's, in the for body and get overlapping bodies, do print. Actually, after the yield, just do print get overlapping bodies.
Print. Get. Overlapping. Like that?
You're gonna have to clear out the other one too. The other print statement in the
Enemy one?
enemy door, yeah.
So it's just gonna spam it? Yeah.
Yeah.
And we can't see what's going on.
Oh, actually, do print the
So if
dot
I'm-
name.
Sorry.
That static body might be it.
Okay, so sorry, what did you want me to put?
Print. Oh, actually, in the for statement.
Print
First-
body not name is what
Yeah.
you're. Yeah. Okay.
So move this down.
Just
No,
get rid of that.
Get rid of that, and then at line after line 17 before 18, do print body dot name.
So it is finding the enemy door trigger. It's not setting it to.
Not sending
Okay,
it
so-
to.
Yeah, make
Close-
absolute sure that they're the same group name.
Oh, okay, yeah. So enemy door.
That's probably it.
Enemy room.
Enemy room.
Sorry, guys.
Okay.
Wait, do you want it door or room?
Enemy room, because
Okay.
it's that we're setting the zone, so that's the whole room. I think that makes the most
Well,
sense.
the door is the thing in the group.
Okay.
So,
I
Well,
see.
technically the door trigger. I don't think either name is apt.
oh, yeah.
There. How's that? Is that better? Is that more clear? Let's.
Well, if this is just
Half of programming is arguing very well.
so if this is just setting the zone, then maybe we could just have this needs zone as a group, and then all things in the future that need the zone value.
That's a good.
could-
That's a good idea.
All right, guys. That's more logical than we've heard all night. Need
Oh, just.
Oh
type
my
zone.
so,
zone. Bodies in group zone. All right.
zoned. How about zoned? So
Zoned.
with a D.
Zoned.
That way, it's a little bit different. Zoned.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Because it's not a zone, it is zoned.
It has now been zoned for
Make
construction.
sure in the zone script that it has the D, because I don't think it did.
It did. It did. It did.
Oh, okay. Maybe
Um,
it's stream delay or my eyes
Hold
being
on.
terrible.
Deactivate. I think my problem here is. That's
Can I
what's
share
going
my
on.
screen for a second?
Yes, just one moment here. I'll move it over in just a sec. You're sharing a screen?
Yeah.
Um,
So, in the new one, or in the old one,
oops.
in the old new one.
The old dude. Hold on.
Yeah.
I actually killed the screen. Why can't I see it? You popped out in another window. Well, where? That it? I was getting confused because I could see. No, what the heck? Alright. Alright, I've got this, guys. Technical.
So, in the new one, every single object has a home zone thing, so that's always already set.
Yeah.
And I think, yeah, the zone code does the exact same thing. It does for object and get objects, and that's just the pretty much the same thing that we're doing.
Yeah,
there,
it's
is we're
very
just looking for
similar.
The overlapping.
And that's what I
Yeah.
was trying to do, but I just couldn't wrap my brain around it. I was like, I don't really know what I'm missing
Mm.
or how I'm missing.
It was just because there are things in the old version that weren't built with it in mind.
Yeah.
Like, that was one of the big things going into this is I need to work out how the zones are going to work because it's ass in the current one.
Yeah, well, and it's pretty critical too. Like it actually matters
Yeah.
a lot.
Yeah. Because I built a lot of it without the zone stuff because we didn't have zones. We just had
Yeah.
the grid positions, remember?
Yeah, that's
'Cause
right.
Everything was the same size.
That's right.
But,
Yeah, we didn't need it at the time,
Yeah.
so
All right. Yeah,
now it's important. That's that. It's much cleaner. I really want it in the demo, but that's okay. It's not that important for the demo. It's more important for the
The
actual
zone
thing.
stuff it can carry over.
Yeah, we can probably move it at some point. Sooner than later, I'm sure. Okay, so now I'm just gonna hit play real quick, because I wanted to see if you fixed the animation.
Oh yeah, let's see if it actually works.
Looked like it was empty.
Uh-oh.
It's giving me empty.
Where is that printing?
Oh, but that's, sorry, that's down here. But that's because we probably haven't told it to do anything yet.
I don't. What is that? What is that? I don't know what that is.
That should be the get enemies, right?
Yes.
Well, clear line 18, because we don't need that anymore.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, that's the get enemies that's printing.
Yeah.
Go to the.
Yeah, hold on here. So, I don't think I'm calling them yet. That's the problem. It's not anything else.
Enemies.
Because interact should...
Yeah, that's not what's being printed.
Yeah.
What's being. Okay.
Play, activate, and repair call, print network enemy. Yeah, see, I'm printing nothing important. That's why that's there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we
Yeah,
actually have to...
Let's just test it. I think this might work. Because we have the zone deck at enemies.
Well, I don't, It's gonna work, but I don't have printing anything now.
Well, that's fine. Just see if the function works.
Yeah, it might.
Because you have it in the
deactivate.
animation, right?
Yeah, well,
Should be-
that's... Hold on. I think we're getting... Because I have that. The activate is working fine. That was not a problem, because...
Yeah, we're testing deactivate right now.
Oh, you want deactivate? Oh, okay.
Because I think it might just work now.
Okay. So yeah, let's activate him. His eyes are on. Now, if they all die, his eyes should turn off. Yep, it worked.
Hey.
Oh, because it keeps playing over and over again. But that's okay. I can...
Yeah.
Because it's in the physics process, so I have
You
to...
just active off or something?
Yeah, exactly. I just had the active switch to false or whatever.
Okay.
So
And we also need it so that
we'll see if activate's true.
not let you activate again. Maybe.
Yeah, which I had that too, and I ended up... So this is... Where are the active equals false? I guess let's make it the same as above. So that's that. And
I
then...
think in interact we should check zone get enemies. Let's like make it so interact will only work if there are more than one enemy.
Okay, so how do you want to do that then?
So right at the beginning.
Yeah.
Do if zone.get enemies
Get enemies
dot size
dot size. Oops, I'm being dyslexic. Size.
is parentheses. That's a function, and then is equal to 0.
Equal.
Yeah. And then just hit return.
Like
Do it. Just do return after it.
Oh, return. Sorry, had a brain melt there.
Alright, so that might work.
Okay, let's try it. So, activate. There's enemies. I had to fix it so they don't go into the pots.
Yeah.
Oh, it happened. The animation happened too fast, but it didn't do the deactivate animation.
So it's good.
Actually, maybe it did do the. Yeah, I think it's good though. You can't do it again. So I think it worked.
Oh, we need to make it. Let's remove it from the interact group.
Okay, so.
When it's So.
Oh yeah,
after-
you're right.
Once it's finished, we can remove it from interactable,
and then it won't have the B show up anymore.
Just didn't deactivate, right?
Yeah.
Remove from group. Interact double.
So I think we should be good.
So right now, highlights, begin, bink.
In fact, with that, I'd actually say let's
Yeah.
We don't need the check for the get enemies thing.
Yeah, because
anymore.
once you remove it from that group, then it should
Yeah.
just not work, right?
Yeah. The only thing that would happen is if you place one in a room with no enemies, it should turn on, then turn off immediately and remove it from there. But I think that's how it should work.
Yeah, I think you're right. I was like pushing, trying to talk to the slime. Can't we just have a conversation? Let's talk things out. Yeah.
Cool.
All right, that has the same dialogue. All right, so now basically all it needs to be is when it's active, the doors need to be shut. That's easy enough to do, though.
Test
it-
multiplayer.
Okay,
While we're here. No.
yeah, then I'll do the rest of it, and then that'll probably conclude the stream for tonight.
Okay.
Ooh.
But let's end on a high note here with this multiplayer working on the first try.
Yeah, first, of course.
Okay. Let's... Nice. First try.
First
Looks
try.
like the
Oh, but this is
deactivate.
Oh,
deactivated still. Not
it's
quite
still
first try.
interact.
Oh, because yeah, it's only removing it for the
We have to do a pure call to remove it from the group.
yeah.
Network pure call.
Well,
Really?
probably just a pure call to
But
deactivate.
didn't deactivate get played on both? How
Yeah,
does
yes, it
deactivate
did.
get run?
Deactivate. I've got a pure call for deactivate. See
Oh
right
yeah,
here.
yeah.
So I just
So
have
it
to have
should remove from group then. Okay, animation play.
But-
oh, just for. Oh, I see. It's
Yeah.
just for the enemy. Okay, gotcha.
remove from group. Actually, how am I
Self.
doing this? Cell.
Yeah.
Remove from group. And do whatever it was. Interactable.
Interactable. That should do her. Let's give it a try. Multiplayer. Hey guys, did you know this game is multiplayer? Oh, I guess I have to activate it first. Well, let's activate it.
When are we gonna allow another letter so your name fits?
That would be swell. I don't have to be Drago. There you go. That did it.
Cool.
Good job, everyone.
Good jobs. Now it just needs to make the doors actually do things.
Yeah, and we also need to. Don't we need to spawn the enemies after the fact?
Yes. Oh, yeah, you're right.
That might be difficult because that's like the thing I couldn't figure out. I forgot about that. Or we could have them like we could have them alive but like frozen at the start. We can't like spawn them in at.
Yeah.
runtime. That messes with the
So
multiplayer.
no. Here's the way I was planning it. In tiled, I was gonna have it so that they had their own like enemy door boolean, and
Okay.
if that was checked on and was true, it basically hides them and disables their collision or whatever. But you're right; they should
okay.
be frozen in a
Sweet.
spot,
Yeah. Cool.
right? And then once this door is activated, it'll turn that boolean off and should make them awake again.
Yeah, that'll work.
So, oh yeah, I just have to make their position home position, right? When they spawn, because otherwise they'll be wandering. Like, how do you make them so they're
Oh, yeah,
frozen?
yeah.
Because they technically would be moving around even though they're not visible.
They wouldn't be if they're. What? I don't remember how it works. Hold on. I think. How do we kill them? Hold on.
But they just wow, can't talk. Q free, don't they? When they die?
Do they?
Yeah.
Then how does it work when other people come in? You know?
Good questions. I don't remember.
Oh, I'm looking at the wrong game right now. I'm just scrolling through everything. Hold on. I think they're actually like hidden and their collisions are off or something. I think. I'm not sure.
Wow, look at that bugger. Debugger. 200.
Oh my goodness. All right, enemies.
That's what happens when you close the server before the client.
Yeah.
Okay, so there is a set dead function, and all it does is it hides them, sets their physics process off, it sets their home position to 0, 0, and their position is 0, 0. So you could set their actual position to 0, 0 and keep it there, and then set it to the home position when
they spawn in.
Yeah, or something like that.
Okay, yeah, and I'm planning on playing an animation, like how like with Zelda games, like they kind of like poop into place or whatever. So I'll make an effect.
You know what I think would be cool actually is
Yeah.
if they were like statues, because the fact is like, are you ready to begin the challenge? I think it would be cool when you walk into a room and you can see how many enemies are there. Just an idea.
That is a fancy idea. I like that too. So would we do a shader again, just to like make them monochromatic?
I think we would do. Yeah, or no, you could just set the modulate. Or wait, can you? Is there a black and white version? I'm not sure how.
Sprite.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, we might need a shader.
Yeah, I think you need a shader, but also I think it'd be cool if you add a little bit of noise to the shader.
Ooh.
Like.
Oh yeah.
Monochrome and then a little noise. I think I'll make it look super statuey.
Yeah, I'll try and do something like that. Yeah, I was trying to go to the color thing, but it's not there. Yeah, we could do something like that. That'd be fine. I could totally do something like that. I don't know much about shaders though, so I'd have to figure that out. But...
Yeah, I believe there was a Godot Toronto talk about it.
Oh wait.
Like last week.
Was there?
So.
Oh yeah, you're right. There was. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, we both missed it.
What is? I don't know what I'm doing here. This is hue saturation. I can just turn the saturation all the way down.
Saturation down, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Wait, can I do it from? Do I have to do it on here? Why is it not on a sprite?
Check invisibility. It's just not open.
You just
Oh, okay. There we go.
So.
Modulate hue saturation. Why does it not do anything?
Set it to 1. Maybe the default for 0 is just that. Or not.
Shader it is.
Shader it is.
Gosh dang nabbit. I can make him invisible. There you go. Hold on. Yeah, I can't make him like... Why? That doesn't make sense. Like, when you turn your saturation down, you should just...
Yeah, well, I think the saturation is moving it to the right in the box. Yeah. That's the saturation there.
Yeah.
Disappoint.
Damn.
Oops, I added it. Okay. Alright, I'll learn how to make a shader. I'll go watch the tutorial.
Cool.
Thanks, guys. We got that working.
Yeah.
Now I can take my next steps, and I have just over 10 days to get it done on time.
Oh.
Same.
Awesome. Let's play it one more time for the stream. Why not? There you go. And one day, it'll make doors do things.
Cool.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. Alright, well, anyone who's watching the stream, be sure to check out our Discord if you want to keep up with us. I've got that link in the description below. You can also download this demo and actually play it.
Wait, I'm sorry, one more idea.
Okay, alright, fine. Alright. Go for it.
I think the enemy door trigger should shatter when you're done so you know that it's done.
Okay.
Otherwise it still looks the same amount of interactable as when you start.
Okay. That's a cool idea.
Okay.
I'll make him just like crumble into a pile.
Yeah.
And he'll still be there, but he'll just be a pile of rubble.
Yeah.
That'd look cool. But yeah, join us on Discord. Come hang out with us. And as I said, you can also download the demo on our website, which is in the link below as well. So you can actually play this, and it is multiplayer, so you can mess around with your friends. So
also apparently on Lutris now.
Oh yeah, apparently I'm... So I tangent real quick. I was looking at our traffic on our website, and we were getting clicks from Lutris, and I had no idea what that was. But apparently, Joseph E was explaining, it's like the Linux version of Steam.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's just like a little.
It's just like
app
Game
that you
Hub,
can-
yeah.
Yeah,
so you
I've seen
can.
the
It has your
trailers.
Steam games on it, your GOG games on it.
And so somebody put TetraForce
custom.
on there.
Cool.
Yeah, and I made a modification to the installation script, so it will work with the latest version now.
Oh,
Nice.
awesome.
So, because before it just did downloaded the zip file, but now it'll download the zip file and install it and allow you to click the play button.
Well,
Yeah.
fancy, like super high tech stuff. That's very cool.
Not really. It's just a little YAML file. But
Yeah,
it works.
I thought it was pretty funny that it showed up. So it's like a wiki type of thing, you said, right? Like anybody can go in and edit it, or whatever.
Yeah, well, it's like wiki permission. It's not a wiki, but like anyone can go in and add their own install scripts. And,
Gotcha.
And it just goes through a public review process.
Gotcha. Yeah, TetraForce has shown up on a few cool places now. Like, there's a bunch of open source websites that are starting to list it. It's just like showing up on open source like repository type things. So
Cool.
yeah, we're starting to get like all sorts of interesting traffic from different places. So, but anyway, guys, thanks for coming on. I really appreciate having both of you on tonight. And we'll do this again next week. Have a wonderful evening. Goodbye, everyone.
Thanks, chat.
Have y'all seen